Here is unborn but for nappy. Hey, not always is a man peel. Hey, man, I'm by influenza. I ain't going to be pants buffet, man. Yeah, but no. Back to business. Not much to say today. But have you guys realized which is the only way out is through war? Have you guys realized that the only way out for South Africans here is through war? Because this war of paper, this war of memorandums and whatsoever is not helping us. Palestinians that just came in our country, they're just allowed by our president without documents. And our people are on the streets and you know showing what they are so hurtful. But then our president just said, no, fuck the people of South Africa. I'm just going to allow them to come in. There's a big story behind it. Yeah. Kulungile bafowethu. Angiphephezeli into kodwa ngithi niyabona yini kodwa ukuthi kumele siyilwe before. Thina sikwazi bafowethu. We are living under a code of conduct. Yes, we respect the laws of this country. There's nothing we can do. But when you corner bafowethu, can you do something about it before we lose our country? Because almost ngekudala nje sebesiphethe ama-Muslims lapha ekhanda. Indaba kanaliphando wenzani? Akungayeka naliphando. Nang Ramaphosa njengamanje. He just allowed a flock of Palestinians into our country. Engakhulumanga nokukhuluma nane ministers of Home Affairs. Minister of Home Affairs, at least for the first time, he was going to do right, but then his decision was overridden by the very first citizen of our country. I am truly amazing by West and by joyful overfoot. Hope you're good. Hope the struggle continues in with our hearts we're with you. It's just that we cannot be part and parcel. But we're with you. It is so, it has got Jablisa to see what's happening in KZN. Not only in KZN, man, but yeah. But this paperwork thing, they are just looking and saying, let them toy and bring memorandums and whatsoever, but let us carry on with our duty, which is breaking this country into 1,000,000 pieces. Albonga ingwane, may ayophuza amaphilisi. Thank you.